Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Tailwind CSS for brand styling, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Tailwind CSS for brand styling, begin by visiting the Tailwind CSS website. Once on the site, navigate to the Get Started section. Click on the installation link to review the different installation methods. Choose the method that best fits your project, whether it's via NPM, CDN, or another setup. For NPM, open your terminal and run the command to install Tailwind CSS. After installation, create a configuration file by running the command provided in the documentation. This file allows you to customize Tailwind's default settings according to your brand's needs. Open the configuration file and locate the theme section. Here, you can define your brand colors by adding a new object for colors. Specify your primary, secondary, and any additional brand colors you wish to include. Next, you can customize typography by updating the font family settings. Add your brand's preferred fonts, ensuring they align with your overall branding. Save the changes to the configuration file before moving to the next step. Now, include Tailwind in your CSS by referencing it in your main style sheet. Use the @Tailwind directive to include base, components, and utilities. After that, compile your CSS using the specified tool, such as PostCSS or another setup. Once compiled, link the generated CSS file to your HTML document. With Tailwind CSS included, begin applying your brand styles using utility classes. Utilize custom colors and fonts where needed to maintain brand consistency. Test your design across different devices to ensure responsiveness and styling accuracy. Finally, continue to refine your Tailwind setup as your brand evolves. Staying updated with Tailwind CSS releases can offer new features for better customization. Implement these practices regularly to enhance your brand styling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.